Attaching and removing the embroidery unit. Turn the power switch off. Hold the carrying handles of the embroidery unit with both hands and place it to the left side of the machine. Hold the left carrying handle on the embroidery unit and lift the unit slightly. Slide the embroidery unit gently to the right. Push the embroidery unit against the end. Attach a front upper table small cover to a front lower table box. Attach a rear upper table small cover to a rear lower table box. Attach embroidery table front and embroidery table rear to the embroidery unit. Be sure to slide embroidery tables against the unit while aligning the height of tables to the embroidery unit. Remove the upper table small covers when using RE4060. Hold the upper table cover and press the cover against the machine. Press down the cover. Turn the power switch on. Press the home key to go to home window. Press the embroidery mode key to open the embroidery mode window. Removing the embroidery unit. Press the home key to go to home window. Press the ordinary sewing mode key. Press the OK key and the carriage will move. Turn the power switch off. Slide the embroidery tables to remove them from the embroidery unit. Pull the embroidery unit release lever and slide the embroidery unit gently to the left to remove it. After the unit is completely removed from the machine, lift the carrying handle slightly to move the embroidery unit. Be sure to remove the embroidery unit and embroidery tables when carrying or storing the machine. Failure to follow these instructions may result in damage to the embroidery unit and embroidery tables.